equipped with CCD visual inspection and pressure detection, can detect the core wire cross-section and terminal crimping appearance, and discharge defective products, improve the product qualification rate. Chinese and English system touchscreen, clear and simple operation interface. The whole machine uses 5 Huichuan servo motors, 1 Mitsubishi servo motor, 6 steady motors, high precision, long life, stable operation. Thermal stripping, wire cutting, terminal crimping, insertion of single terminal wire into rubber casing, all in one machine. Single-ended hot stripping and hot cutting solves the problem of braided wire loose ends. Production capacity, 500 pieces per hour.